so hard for everything. Don't wanna lose my time or my mind on the grind, but I want a better life for me. I do the things I hate to do, just to try to find my way to you. I see you in my mind all the time, visualized, and I hope that I can make it through. I gotta follow you, I gotta follow you, I gotta follow you. Out of everything that holds me down, I'll scream until I let you down. Ain't nobody gonna stop me now. I gotta find my way to you. Out of everything that holds me down, out of everything that holds me down, out of everything that holds me down. I wanna be a better me. I wrote a song called Destiny. When I'm in pain, don't let them see. Emotion is the enemy. Therapeutic chemistry. I strive to be a part of you. I wanna help the world get through. Sometimes I feel so small against it all, don't know what to do. I just dream of ones and twos.